This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're in the FaceTime call and want to end Shareplay now. First, tap the FaceTime window to reveal controls. Once visible, find the Shareplay badge or the shared app icon. If you started the session, you'll see a stop option. If another participant started it, make sure you have been given control before trying to end it. This immediate action prevents unintended continued streaming and restores your screen to normal quickly. Now, tap the shared app or the small Shareplay icon to open session controls. Once the menu appears, choose Stop Shareplay or Stop Sharing. You'll sometimes see a confirmation prompt: select Stop for everyone if you want the session fully closed, or Stop Sharing if you only want to leave the shared content. Make sure to watch for a brief spinner or status change. That indicates the connection is shutting down and FaceTime will return to a normal call. Finish by confirming the Shareplay badge is gone and your app behaves normally. Once gone, audio and video should resume without shared content. If Shareplay stays active, ask the host to stop it or end the FaceTime call. Sometimes only the host can terminate a session. If that still fails, force quit the shared app, then relaunch FaceTime, and if necessary, restart your iPhone. This reset clears lingering connections and resolves most stuck Shareplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.